Hello there, welcome to this video. My name is Esther and I'm a marketer at Pearson Properties. Today I'm going to share some common mistakes home buyers make and how Pearson Properties is going to help you avoid them. Buying a home is a significant investment, and being aware of these pitfalls can save you a lot of time, money and stress. A critical error is skipping the home inspection. Buyers sometimes do this to save money, but this can be a costly mistake. Hidden faults like mold, structural problems, and faulty wiring can turn your dream home into a nightmare. A thorough inspection can reveal these hidden issues, saving you from expensive repairs down the line. Pearson Properties ensures you have access to trusted inspectors that can provide comprehensive assessments. We encourage our clients to attend the inspection so that they can ask questions and fully understand the condition of the properties. Another common mistake is overextending your budget. It's tempting to stretch your finances to get a more luxurious or a bigger home, but this can lead to financial strain. Pearson Properties helps you evaluate your financial situations realistically. We provide resources and advice to help you understand all the costs associated with home ownership, including home maintenance, property taxes, and insurance. Lastly, many buyers fail to adequately research the neighborhood. They focus solely on the properties, ignoring crucial factors like schools, safety, amenities, and future development plans. The neighborhood is just as important as the house. A great house in a poor neighborhood is nothing but a source of stress and frustration. Pearson Properties provides detailed neighborhood information including school ratings, future development plans, and local amenities. We help you not to just find a house, but a community where you can thrive. So these are a few common mistakes you should avoid when buying a home. Remember, with the right guidance, you can navigate these processes with confidence. And Pearson Properties is here to give you that guidance every step of the way. Reach out to Pearson Properties on the numbers available on your screen. You can also visit our website at www.pearsonproperties.org. Remember, Pearson Properties, we build trust before homes.